Good morning and assalamu alaikum, my students, my fellows. How are you? Hope you fine. And today our topic, the reward solving exercise. Okay. So let's see. The reward. Choose. Choose the correct answer. Okay. First, two, three, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, 10. Yes. Question number 1. Choose the correct answer. Yes. Jerkin said that a man who wanted to succeed had to be, for option A, yes, athlete, B, determined person, and C, a lucky man, and D, a hardworking person. So B is the right answer. 1. B is right answer. Okay. So next, the man who keep on wins. A, the reward, B, the race, C, the shield, and D, the trophy. So B is the right answer, the race. Okay, B is the right answer. And C, and part 3, he had be asking, he had be a skating champion if he really gave some money, his passion, C, all his time too, and D, his energies. C is the right answer. 3, all his time too. C is the right answer. And 4. He hit on a most extraordinary ambition to be appointed dash an inspector. Yes, and clerk. And B, magistrate. And D, a court or crop. So D is the right answer. And next, 5. At the age of 16, he won the dash. A, high jump. B, the hurdles. C, the 100 yards race. And D, high jump, the hurdles and the 100 yards. So D is the right answer. Number 4, D is the right answer. And next, 5. D. So here is the D is right answer. And next, 6. Gorgeous probably wanted to make the country powerful, prove his parents wrong. And C, wear a splendid uniform. And D, create a post of court acrobat. So A, B is the right answer. Number 6, A, B is the right answer. A and B. So next, 7. When Gorgeous was inaugurated, okay, the people applauded because the dash had achieved his ambition and we looked splendid in his uniform. And C, performed on the hurdle and swing. And D, defeated his enemies. So A is the right answer. Had achieved his ambition. 7A is the right answer. And 8. The great throne room had been turned into a kind of dash. A, swimming pool and stadium, gymnasium. And D, race track. So B is the right answer. 8. And 9. Turbot dash asked Jorkins what his own ambition, and B, believed Jorkins' story. So C, disagree with Jorkins. And D, improve Jorkins' story. So Gorgeous achieved his ambition by building a skating. So disagree. C, number 9, disagree with Jorkins. Number 9, C is the right answer. C is the right answer. And 10. Gorgeous achieved his ambition by building a skating rink, and B. going into politics, and C. getting an opportunity, and D. winning the 100 yards. So B is the right answer, going into politics. 10. B is the right answer. So I think we tick mark. Okay, we should tick mark right, because you remember right. So right and right. Okay, so question number 1 we have done, and next question 2. So here is only answer. And next, mark the sentences true or false. Yes. Question 2. Mark the sentence true or false. The sentence is true or false. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6. Yes. Question 2. Number 1. At club, they talked about money and determination. It's a false. Question 2. So false. So cross. Okay. And next, Gorgeous wanted to prove his parents wrong. Okay. It's a true. Number 2, true. And 3, Gorgeous went into politics to pursue them. So it's also true. 3. And 4, the creation of a post of court acrobat would increase the glory of the country. So it's a true. 4. True. And 5, the court acrobat would inspire the soldier to win the just right. So 5, it's a right. And 6, many athletes competed for the post of court acrobat. acrobat. So it's a wrong. Number 6 false. So, and 7 the magnificent uniform of gorgeous impressed all. Number 7 true. So and number 9 in the ceremony of gorgeous the band played softly. Yes, true. No. 8 wrong. Everyone was sad. It's a missing here. 8 everyone was sad. Students, everyone said on the inauguration of court acrobat. So number 8 wrong. Number 8 so wrong. And number 9 in the ceremony of gorgeous the band play softly. Yes, so true. And number 10 gorgeous looked by with a slightly sad expression towards the royal platform. And it's a true. Here is some words missing in my book. So if any mistake, so solutions students, okay, solutions yourself because here is a missing some words. It's a old book. Okay, so we have done question 1 and 2. Choose a correction and next mark the sentences true or false. And we have done answer question 3. So question number 3 questions and answers from textbook. Okay, so let's see question. Students, are you seeing? Okay, so what was subject discussed at the club? Yes, what was subject discussed at the club? So yes, discuss was, yes, who's discuss about opportunities and determinations. They were discussed on determination and opportunities. Yes. And next, what did Turbot think of Jorkin's arguments? Yes, Jorkins said that only determination was needed for success, and Turbot did not agree with him. He said that opportunities was more important than determination for success. Okay, question 2. Okay, students, I think you have don't need for any extra test paper or any others help book, because your आपकी जो बुक्स हैं वो उसमें सब कुछ जो है वो अवेलेबल है. सो अपनी बुक्स में देखें, आपको सब कुछ मिल जाता है. जब आप जब कोई स्टोरी, कोई लेक्चर जो है आप स्टडी करते हो तो आपकी बुक्स में ही उसके आंसर जो हैं वो अवेलेबल है. सो मेरा नहीं ख्याल कि आपको कुछ और कोई हेल्पिंग बुक्स जो है वो लेने की ज़रूरत है। सो सब कुछ आपकी बुक्स में है, सिर्फ आपको क्या है, एक अच्छे से लेक्चर जो है उसकी रीडिंग जो है वो आपने इम्प्रूवमेंट एक अटेंटिवली जो है वो आपने स्टडी करनी होती है। जब आप अटेंटिवली अपनी स्टडी फोकस करते हैं तो क्या है, आपको हर आंसर जो है आपकी बुक में। सो लेट्स question 3, how did Jorkins convince that a man could become a skating champion of the Sahara? Yes, जॉर्किंस ने किस तरह कायल किया कि वो एक आदमी जो है वो स्केटिंग चैम्पियन बन सकता है? किस तरह कायल किया उसने? सो ही टोल्ड yes, so let's see. He said the man should earn money first. He should build a skating ring in the Sahara and organize a competition. He would be a skating champion, all right. So next question, how did Gorges pursue his people to make their country strong? And answer, he asked them to create a post of court exhibit. It would raise the glory of country, and its throne it would strengthen their soldier. They would win the rights of nation. Okay, students. So question 5, what was the viewpoint of the parents of Gorges? Yes, his parents did not agree with Gorges. Gorges' parents did not agree with the Gorges because they thought that only determination could do nothing and should also have an opportunities for success. And next, what were the arrangement made for function of inauguration? इफ्तिताह की तकरीब के लिए उन्होंने क्या इंतज़ाम किए थे? Great red and golden curtain were hung and high swings were hung with gilded ropes, and row of neat hurdles was arranged, and light glittered and band a pale green and golden played softly. And next 7, describe the scene of inauguration. Write 3 lines. So next I will write a summary of a lesson and then discuss it. And next question, what were the feelings of Gorges on the occasion? Yes, तकरीब के मौके पर Gorges के क्या एहसासात थे? Though his thin body looked sad in the tight-fitting uniform, he was very happy about his achievement. He behaved as a modest man during the celebration. Yes, 9. Did Gorges use any shortcut achieve him ambition? क्या Gorges ने अपना मकसद हासिल करने के लिए कोई मुख्तसर रास्ता जो है क्या इख्तियार किया? So no, he did not use any short way. And next, rather he did not work hard to get it. And 10, for how long did Gorgeous have to stick to get his ambition achieved? गॉर्जियस को अपना मकसद हासिल करने के लिए कितना अरसा जो था वो इस तरह उसको साबित कदम रहना पड़ा? कितना अरसा? यस, आर यू रिमेंबर? So let's see. He stuck to his aim for a long time. He had to work for more than 60 years to get his aim. कितना उसको अर्सा लगा? 60 years. So yes, okay students, we have done question number 1 and question 2 and answer the question. Okay, so please subscribe and comments me. Okay, see you.